Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register your profile on edX, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the URL www.edx.org in the address bar and press enter. Once the home page loads, locate the sign in option at the top right corner of the page. Click on sign in to proceed to the login screen. Under the login fields, find and click on the register link. You will be redirected to the registration form. Start by entering your first name in the designated field. Next, input your last name in the following field. Provide a valid email address that you frequently use. Create a strong password that meets the specified criteria. Confirm your password by entering it again in the next field. You may be asked to select your country from a drop-down menu. After selecting your country, review the terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box indicating your agreement to the terms. Some users might also need to verify they are not a robot by completing a CAPTCHA. Once all fields are filled out correctly, click on the Register button. You will receive a confirmation email to verify your email address. Open your email inbox and locate the confirmation email from edX. Click on the verification link provided in the email. This action will redirect you back to the edX website, confirming your registration. Congratulations! You have successfully registered your profile on edX. You can now explore various courses and start your learning journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.